Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear across the screen.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC and brand ambassador of Shot in the Dark. So listen, I'm going to talk to you guys about a speed loader which helps you to load your rounds when you're at the range quickly. And we're going to talk about it right after this.
A Shot in the Dark by Fedora Outlier LLC, displayed in orange lettering. Company logo in bottom right corner. Several images of Vashawn Jones wearing a gray sweater, ear and eye protection, pointing a firearm at a target. The back of his head faces the camera.
All right, so we got the magazine, we got the speed loader, we have the rounds. Simply put that on top of there, squeeze, press down, slide the rod in, squeeze, press down, slide the round in, squeeze, press down, slide the round in, squeeze, press down. You guys get the picture, and it saves your thumbs. It makes loading magazines a heck of a lot easier, a heck of a lot faster, and you still got your thumbs to do other things. So listen, let's change the world. Let's change the world together, and let's do it as quickly as possible.
Light flares moving over black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange all uppercase appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment in white lettering also behind the flares is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.